happened? I don't know. Is it a emergency alert system? I think so. I don't know. How did you know that? Because I seen one of those things before. Oh man. If you're watching television or you listen to the radio, you are about to hear. No, we have to hear it. Yeah. What happened? What's happening? What's happening? No, I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. No, guys, calm down. It's just an emergency. What? It's scary. Okay, I'll just watch it by myself. The TV! The TV! What happened to the TV? It's just an alert system. It's not like a nuclear happening. It's over? Is it over? It's over. It was good. He will retire at the end of the season. That was scary. You see that guy? That was scary. This statement, here's what he says. It says, quote, "This is a tragedy. Let's watch some more news. With the benefit of hindsight, I wish I had done more." Well, coming up in less than 10 minutes here on CNN, we're going to hear